my name is Chef Jackie. Welcome to Chatham Bars Inn. This is our take-home gingerbread kit. So this is everything that you're gonna get. We have the box. It's gonna be included with frosting, a house, and this lovely candy here. And I'm gonna show you some tips and tricks to put it all together. So when you receive this kit, the first thing that you're gonna wanna do is gather a few ingredients and tools. You'll take it out of the box here. So I'm just gonna put this down here. Something really perfect to have for this is a pair of scissors, a little spatula. Our kit comes with pastry bags. And then I have a little bowls here, and that's, I'm gonna sort my candy in. So first, the frosting. When you have your pastry bag, the tip for this is you're gonna wanna turn your pastry bag inside out. Just like that. That makes sure that no frosting gets on the outside rim of your pastry bag, and this is how we're gonna fill it. So I'm just gonna open it a little bit. We'll take our frosting and take the lid off of it. With our spatula, we'll just gather some of the frosting. We're gonna insert it right into the bag. I'm using my thumb to kind of get it all the way inside. And you can always refill the bag as you go along, but your kit does come with 2 pastry bags. You're gonna push the frosting all the way to the bottom, invert that top piece, and it's nice and clean up there. Give it a little squeeze, and that frosting is gonna come right down to the bottom. Now, based on the size that you want, we're gonna go with a little medium size. So I'm just gonna cut the tip off maybe about 1 centimeter of the way. And then that is gonna give us perfect range for our frosting. So for our kit, we have here, for the frosting, it dries pretty fast, so you can either put it straight on the candy and stick the pieces to the house, or if you want to go and do little snow features, you can just come through and give yourself a nice little border. Now let's dig into the candy. Now, although our kit comes with all of this great candy, there is much that you can incorporate from your home. Marshmallows, shredded wheat work perfectly for shingles and rooftops as well. Now, if you're building your kit from home, I definitely recommend that you build the shell of the house maybe a day before decorating. That gives the royal icing a chance to harden up to make sure that your structure is sound enough for you to go ahead and decorate your heart away. And I just want to wish you and your family a happy holidays from all of us at the Chatham Bars Inn.